No.
Next, I'm gonna play 2 face downs and junk warrior tech. Bad.
Take a picture of the screen.
No.
Video.
Oh god. Junk warrior tech's battle fader.
Later he goes bye-bye.
I end my turn.
You have any cards in your hand?
Yeah.
2.
2. They're both spells.
Okay. I activate Dark Scheme. We both discard 2 cards, then draw 2 cards.
I don't
Or
really
you
need
could, I said, or you could just discard 1 and negate it.
And I have to show you the cards, and there were Dark Tinker and Neo, so Dark Tinker goes to the graveyard. Next Dark Tinker's effect. I can look at the top card of my deck
Can you?
and choose to put it on top or bottom.
Are you going to put it on top or bottom?
I'm going to pick it on the bottom.
Without the top.
Actually, the top, I meant.
Oh, it's not the bottom?
No.
Okay.
That's confusing.
Is it?
Yeah, it actually kind of is sometimes.
Cool. Anyway, Dark Scheme goes bye-bye. I'm going to activate Gateway to the Dark World.
And bring back 1 Dark World monster from my grave.
Oh my gosh.
So I bring back
Oh, he's bringing back
Silva.
Silva, dude.